You're killing your kid?
Officer.
He's dead? Why?
I shot at him, bro. I didn't
You shot at him?
I didn't know I was fucking kid in the back. And I showed him. I fucking
Some more unit. Hang on. Well, I don't know what's going on. And people are saying somebody shot. One's going to ask me to arrest him. Log some plates. One is going to be 474, Tom 52. One is George King 56, Baker 1, Nevada. I'll get you more in a minute. So I don't know what's going on.
I'm telling you the truth. We were road raging. He came up around the side, like on the merge, you know, where what's the one that takes you northbound, eastbound over there?
Where's he going at right now?
It's in the car on the passenger side.
Over here. I gotta figure everything out.
Yeah, no, it's 100%
happened?
I shot at him, dude.
Okay.
I didn't even know you had a kid in the car and stuff.
3 or 4 people last time, you know.
Well, I got an ambulance coming. Does anybody else have any weapons? About train control. There's a kid shot in the back seat. Notify supervisors and stuff. Hey, bro. I'm so sorry. Do you have your ID? Okay. Just.
I'm going to school.
Take a minute when you get a chance. I'll need your ID. I'm so sorry. Okay, we'll get this all taken care of. Which car is that guy's car? This one? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you guys see this?
Yeah.
Okay,
Watch the whole
hang
thing.
tight. We got a lot of stuff going on. I got tons of people coming.
Okay.
It's going to be a minute, but just be patient.
Is necessary? One shooting.
No, he's going to go to jail for murder. Okay. So we got a very serious thing here. Let's not go by this car anymore. I know it's your son, but let's leave this just like it is. We'll leave it like it is. Whose car is this? Do you mind having a seat in your car with him and just chilling?
I put him in my car.
Oh, okay.
Get the fuck out of here.
No, he has to stay. He's a witness. Shut your mouth, sir. I understand you're upset. I can't even imagine what this will. I'm saying, but you don't have to be in your car. But just let's realize he's in distress. So everybody has to stay here until investigation is done. I need more units, but I can't not watch everybody at the same time. I can't put too much into any one thing until I got more. But we'll get everybody interviewed. I really appreciate you guys' patience because your statement will be critical. Let's just hang out for a second. Once my partner gets here, then I'll start getting some basic preliminary stuff. Come have a seat right here. Come sit with me. What's your name? What's your name? Is your name Ruby? Who's Ruby?
808.
Go ahead.
8308 Control.
Go ahead for 8308. Hey, it's 419.
Do you have any further on that juvenile? We have one now.
He's a Hispanic juvenile. He's in the rear left seat. He's. Okay.
Where are you on the 215?
We're 215 westbound, just west of Gibson. So between Gibson and Stephanie.
Copy that. I'm sorry, you cut out. What's the approximate age?
He's got to be like 12 or 13 perhaps. How old is, what's your name, sir? Valente. Do you have ID with me? Is it in the car? We'll get it in a second. How old is your son?
He's right for me.
How old is he? 10? Okay. So you guys were headed to school? Okay. And so what happened today? One of your stories? Yeah, and I have a suspect in my truck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
He coming in the line, you know, the line is one.
So you're merging here? Okay.
He came up for the line, and then this car.
He came up on your right, in front of you? So when did he shoot?
Here in the.
Was he still in his car or did he get out?
Yeah, no. Then get out for me. Boom, it's okay.
So he got out and then shot at you?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I saw him like that and get out and me watching for stuff, you know.
Okay. Okay. Was he on your... So after the crash is when he shot?
No, after no.
He shot and then the crash?
Okay. And the need for stop because I don't see my kid.
Yeah.
And then the truck crash for stop the fucking car.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you said your wallet is in your car. I'll get that in just a minute. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Oh, that's one here? Oh, it disappeared. Where did it go? I got 485. Come over here with me. We're gonna go over by this police car. Okay, come over here. No, come on, go this way. Let's go down over to this car right here, okay? We'll do some stuff over here. I don't want you to be too close to this. Come over here. So this is one of our victims. He's kind of... Keep an eye on that. We'll also do some other stuff.
Absolutely.
How you holding up? I'm just going to get your info. I'm not really going to ask you too many questions because detectives will ask you the questions. But I just got to get some basic stuff to get things ready for them. What's your last name?
Johns. Johns.
And your first name?
Tyler. Tyler.
And your date of birth, Tyler?
Is there any chance that the kid will be okay?
There's always a chance. I don't know. I've seen, after 20 years, I've seen kind of everything happen. So I won't say it's not possible. I won't say anything could happen. If you're a praying man, I would be praying a lot for him right now. That's Henry. What unit is that?
I don't know. Let's see when they close the door.
Okay. They're going to... I haven't got that far yet.
Okay.
This is the suspect vehicle right here. Okay. Let me get some of your son's information. What's your son's first name?
He's coming, my son is coming.
No, the one that's hurt.
El nombre.
So he doesn't know his birthday? Okay, we'll leave it at that for now.
I didn't see the car. Did we make sure we double patted him down and searched him?
Yeah, I patted him pretty good. He said his gun was in his car. But I don't want to dig through it too much because let me ask him again. Well, where in the vehicle? You said the gun's in the vehicle?
Forward.
On the floorboard?
It got knocked on the forward. You're going to see the thing that goes up in the windshield.
Okay.
It should be right under it.
And it's just a black handgun?
No, it's a Canic. It's a two-tone, so it should be like camo on the top.
Ding! Should be on the floorboard. The passenger side or the
Passenger side floorboard.
Yeah, passenger side.
If it's not in there, then I'll have no clue.
Okay.
That's where it was when I saw the box.
Okay, yeah, it's there. Okay, like I said, I because of the nature of the incident, detectives will be coming out, so that's why I don't want to ask you too many questions. Because they're going to ask you a million.
Can you guys like message my work and tell them that I'm not going to be there? Can I text them and just tell my boss that I won't be making it in today?
Is your phone in your pocket? Can you reach it?
On my watch. I can do it on my watch. So just if I do the Google.
Can you talk with your watch that far down?
I think so.
Now, let me uncuff you real quick. Hang on. Yeah, it's. Yes, yeah. Hey, go ahead and give him a call real quick. Yeah, don't tell him like details. Say I am not going to make it to work.
Text Mark.
Yeah, you have your phone. Just do it on the phone. Okay, gotta power that down so you can save battery. But, like I go. So we'll probably take all the stuff out of his pockets.
Yeah, we'll search him. Let me get it back.
Okay. Well, I got bags. Yeah, I got bags. You just watch them for a second. I'll grab it out. Hang on 1 second. NHP's probably on this, right?
This is going to be Henderson.
Oh, Henderson primary?
420.
Yeah. Okay. Go with the 304.
Supervisor, the mother is en route. He is arriving in a white Dodge Durango.
Copy. The mom's en route. She's in a white Dodge Durango, just be advised. Right here. Yeah, the little bit I got, trying to preliminary, got a lot going on. So the black SUV and that blue car, they were both merging on. Some sort of road rage ensued. Shots were fired, and the kid in the rear seat was struck in the head. This is the driver of the blue car. When I got here, he said the rest of this gentleman's a witness, and that gentleman up there is a witness. Okay. So I haven't interviewed them yet. I just told them to stand by and wait. And the juvenile is in UMC with FD, pension FD right now for the GSW. And this is the suspect. You guys have detectives coming out, or you guys working with yourself?
I don't know. I just. Dude, this just happened within